Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of React, your ultimate emergency companion. React is more than just a car charger, it's a life-saving toolkit packed into one compact device. From its razor-sharp seatbelt cutter to its lightning-fast USB charger and strobing SOS beacon, React ensures you're prepared for any unexpected situation. Join us as we explore the features, functionality, and real-life applications of this indispensable tool. Let's dive in! What is React? React is a multifunctional emergency tool designed to ensure safety during unforeseen and hazardous circumstances. Comparable to the 7-in-1 car charger, it features a seatbelt cutter, window breaker, USB charger, power bank, LED flashlight, SOS beacon, and safety siren. These integrated functionalities empower users to swiftly address emergencies and escape potentially life-threatening situations. Specifications. Four important features of React. Versatile functionality. React serves as a 7-in-1 emergency tool, integrating essential features such as a seatbelt cutter, window breaker, USB charger, power bank, LED flashlight, SOS beacon, and safety siren. Compact design. With its compact size, React is easily portable and can be conveniently stored in a car, backpack, or purse, ensuring accessibility during emergencies. Fast charging capability. Equipped with smart speed technology, React facilitates rapid phone charging, ensuring that users can maintain communication even in critical situations. Universal compatibility. Designed to fit standard 12V cigarette lighter ports, React offers seamless compatibility with most vehicles, ensuring widespread usability. Why we love React? Versatile, serves as a seatbelt cutter, USB charger, power bank, flashlight, SOS beacon, and safety siren. Compact, fits easily in a car, backpack, or purse. Fast charging. Smart speed technology ensures rapid phone charging. Easy access. Plugs into car's cigarette lighter port for convenient reach. Reliable. Ensures preparedness with a 30-day money-back guarantee. How does React work? Much like the 7-in-1 car charger, React operates seamlessly to provide swift assistance during emergencies. Its seatbelt cutter and window breaker swiftly free individuals trapped in vehicles. Additionally, React serves as a conventional car charger, ensuring constant phone accessibility through its smart speed technology-powered portable charging bank. Why should you choose React? Opting for React means choosing unparalleled preparedness for emergencies. Mirroring the 7-in-1 car charger's ability to be a lifesaver, React equips you with essential tools for swift responses in crises. From freeing oneself from vehicle entrapment to ensuring constant phone accessibility, React's versatility, accessibility, and potential to be a hero in emergencies make it a paramount choice for safety-conscious individuals and thoughtful gift-givers alike. React packages. React offers 3 enticing packages, catering to various needs and budgets. React. The first option, priced at $49.99, provides a single React unit, ensuring essential emergency preparedness. 3. Reacts. For those seeking savings, the Reacts package offers a buy 2, get 1 free deal at $33.33 each, saving 33%. 5. Reacts. The most popular choice, the 5 Reacts package, allows buyers to buy 3 and get 2 free at $29.99 each, saving a remarkable 40%. 10 Reacts package. However, the best deal lies in the 10 Reacts package, offering 5 free units at $25 each, leading to unparalleled savings of 50%. Additionally, all packages include free shipping within the USA, enhancing their value proposition. React reviews complaints. For more details, please refer to the description on techidevis.com. Thanks for joining us on this journey exploring React, your ultimate emergency companion. We hope you found valuable insights into its features and significance in critical situations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Share this video with friends and family to spread awareness about React's life-saving capabilities. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.